We'll start with the mustard C49S size 10. This is a detached bodied daddy. I've got light brown sheer 40/0. That would just run a short foundation or tie-in thread. Just need to take in a bit of the hook shank. Remove that. I want to go back just a wee base to there. And what we do is, I've got some poly chenille. You can use suede chenille as well, but the poly floats better. This is brown. So we hold it in both fingers and we twist two opposite directions. And we carry on doing this 8 times. And we put it around the hook halfways. We fold the ends over and remove it, and it twists into a nice segmented body. And what we do is we change hands and we take our lighter and we just weld the end and roll it between our fingers. That'll keep it together. Then we want to measure our daddy body. I like it a little larger than life. And we just attach this in. That's good. And we can trim off the front. Just go over that. Works very well, this. It's very popular. Probably, along with the ant, it's the most popular terrestrial here. And then I've got 2 silver badger N ankles, of which I just tie one in there, and then I'll just pull it through ever so slightly till it's the right length, a little longer than the body. And there's the second one. Take that in first, right at the base of the body, and we just pull that through till it's approximately the same length as the other. I think that will do us about there. Then we can just go forward over there, and we can remove those. Just come back, pull the wings out. That's good, that's excellent. I've got a little strip of brown foam, same colour as the body. This is actually, they don't call this brown, they call it biscuit, the colour. And then we just tie this in. A little bit too long, that, so I won't go any further forward until I just trim that off at a slight angle. Now, I don't want to tie this in super tight, because this will also help keeping it high and dry. That's good, we're looking good there. Very simple pattern. Now I've got some pre-tied daddy long legs. So we separate 6 out like that, just pull them together, trim those off, separate them, place them each side of the foam. And these again I like to tie in a little longer than they should be, a little larger than life. And we just secure those ends. That's good. Trim those off. You can separate the legs if you like. Tie 2 forward to make it more realistic, but I like the real scruffy buggy daddies. just go back into here a little bit more. Then I take, maybe this is a chocolate brown done. I just tie this one in. There. Again, a little larger hackle than you would for the hook size. Just trim that off again. And make sure you keep the legs under the hackle and go around here. Just as you would with a parachute, really. Like so. We'll fold all that back and tie that hackle off. Oops, don't want to go down there with it. And I can come up and trim that off. Go back into there. That's good. Then what I'll do is I'll just spin my tying thread anti-clockwise. There we go. Just flatten it. Split it. And I've got a little bit of brown eye stubbing. Don't need much, just catch that in. Spin it clockwise, just to make a tiny dubbing rope. That will do me just fine. And then I pull everything back. Go forward, pull all the hackle back, make sure you get with it all, and we'll make a couple of turns just to position the foam. Secure it, pull that back, take our whip finisher, one more, remove that, let's position everything. Take our scissors, rest them on the hook eye, leave a little head, and that's the detached bodied daddy. If you enjoy the films, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.